What if you could turn a modest monthly saving habit into nearly $1 million? That's exactly what we're going to look at in today's Gorgeous Graphs video. The scenario here starts with an initial $10,000 investment. On top of that, $100 is added every month for the next 40 years. The assumed annual return is 10%. An ambitious but not impossible figure if you've got a well-chosen portfolio and the discipline to stay invested for decades. To keep the focus on the growth itself, we're ignoring taxes, inflation, and any short-term market ups and downs. The animation shows just how powerful compounding becomes at higher return rates. For many years, the growth appears gradual, but as time passes, the gains accelerate dramatically. By the end of the 40 years, the portfolio crosses the $980,000 mark. That's from a total contribution of just under $58,000, meaning the vast majority of the ending value is purely from growth. This example drives home a few important points. First, starting early gives compounding the time it needs to work its magic. Second, even relatively small monthly contributions can lead to life-changing amounts when combined with strong returns. And finally, the later years matter most. So, pulling out too soon can cost you a big part of your potential gain. If you appreciate straightforward visual examples of investing concepts, leave a like on this video. And if you'd like to keep learning about strategies and scenarios that might work for you, consider subscribing to the channel. That's all from me for now. Enjoy watching the curve shoot upward, and I'll see you in the next video.